Hey everyone, Technomentary here. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to reset your Windows 11 computer, PC, laptop back to factory settings. So let's get started. Now, this is something you would do if you're looking to just basically wipe and delete everything out and then reinstall Windows again. The first thing you're going to start doing is going into the Start menu here. And after that, we're going to go into Settings. Now, from Settings here, we're going to go to System. And after you get to System, you're going to scroll down a little bit further down to Recovery. Click on Recovery. And after you go to Recovery, we're going to go click on Reset this PC. And then click on Reset PC. And this is the option you want to select. You want to select the option that says Remove Everything, which will remove all of your personal files, apps, and settings. You're going to select that. And after you select that, it's going to ask you how you like to reinstall Windows OS. We're going to do local reinstall. You can do cloud as well, but local will work fine. And then here it will tell you what's going to get removed, which is all apps, files, and then reinstall Windows from this device. So you would hit next, and then it's going to get things ready. Make sure during this process you're connected to a charger because it will take some time. And after that, it will basically give you a summary of what will happen. And as you can see here, remove all personal files and user accounts, remove any changes that you made to settings, any apps or programs that didn't come with the PC, and then reinstall Windows from this device. This will take a while and your PC will restart during this process. And once you're ready to do it, just hit reset and we'll begin that process to factory reset your Windows 11 computer. So that's how you do it. I hope this video was helpful. So please consider hitting the like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.